Hi, everyone. It's Ann Skinner here with the Skinner team and Keller Williams Realty here in beautiful Summit County. I hope that you've been enjoying your summer so far. This is definitely going to be an interesting month for us to report on, as not only is it really the first true month of summer up here in the high country, but we've also felt some pretty rapid changes in the market due to the economy, inflation, the stock market, interest rates, and also some hyper-local changes to our short-term rental policies. So in June, we had 255 new residential listings hit the market. That's a pretty sizable increase over May. We had 95 properties go under contract, which is actually a pretty sizable drop as well. In fact, it's 30% fewer properties going under contract than the month before. 121 properties actually closed in June, which is about the same as May. We are now just under 450 active listings on the market. That increase in inventory is really a result of more properties being listed than are actually going under contract. And that's, again, also a sizable jump up from May. For the month of June, the median sales price in Summit County was $965,000. This is actually the first month in quite some time where we've seen that median sales price go back down below $1 million. So that tells us not as many high-end properties were selling. The median list price to sales price ratio did still hold strong, though, at 100% even, and the median days on market remained at 4. Even though prices came down a bit, buyers were still having to pay very close to the actual list price. So we'll see if that really still continues into July. Many people have been telling me they've been seeing a lot of price drops and are wondering if the market's actually going to start to decline. Right now, we're really just seeing signs of it leveling out and not an actual decline. Properties are still selling for about 5 to 10% more than they did last year, just not 20% more than they did last year. So people are having to get realistic with their pricing and come back down a little bit. Based on our data for appreciation rates over the last 34 years, it's pretty unlikely that prices are actually going to go into the negative, meaning that they're going to be less than they were last year. But we think that probably, a leveling out or a flattening out is what we're going to expect, especially if the Fed continues to raise rates as they've indicated to get inflation under control. So the opportunities for buyers in this market are definitely going to be a little bit higher. Buyers will have more to look at, more time to make a choice, and sellers are just going to have to be a little bit more patient. So thank you for taking the time to go over the numbers with me. As always, you can find me online at COMTN Realty. Thanks.